Hello everyone, welcome to Manoeuvre Education. So today I am going to discuss few interesting questions from maths which will be very helpful for MCA entrance examination like NIMCET, MCACET and other entrance examinations. So today our specific topic is limit, and let's start with this question. So you have to evaluate limit x tends to 0, x tan x upon 1 minus cos x. So if you have to solve this question, you can apply L'Hospital rule, or you can divide numerator or denominator by x square. When you divide numerator and denominator by x square, you will get x tan x upon x square upon 1 minus cos x upon x square, right? So here you will get limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x upon 1 minus cos x upon x square, right? So I hope you know the formula of limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x, this value is equal to 1, and limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to 1. So if you know this formula, you can apply here and you will get limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x upon 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2, and here we can write x square as x square by 2 into 4. जब ये आप कैंसिल करोगे ये आसानी से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, and again you will get this value. ठीक है, so here we can get limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x upon sin x by 2 upon x by 2 to the whole square into 2 by 4, right? The limit, this value will be 1 and this value again 1, so the value of the whole limit will be 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Hence third is the right option. So here we have the another question. We have limit x tends to 3, square root of 3x minus 3 upon square root of 2x minus 4 minus root 2. You can solve it by rationalization. That means you have to rationalize the denominator. How you can rationalize? You can multiply it by square root of 2x minus 4 plus root 2 upon square root of 2x minus 4 plus root 2. और सिमिलरली आपको न्यूमरेटर को भी रैशनलाइज करना होगा. अगर ये टर्म माइनस में है, सो यू कैन राइट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3x plus 3 upon square root of 3x plus 3. You can multiply whole term and you will substitute the value of limit so that you can get the answer. Otherwise, you can apply L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? You can see when you put the value 3 in numerator and denominator, you will get 0 by 0 ka form, right? 0 by 0 is indeterminate form to conclude the value of this limit. Here you can apply L'Hospital rule to solve this question. What is L'Hospital rule? Here you have to differentiate numerator and denominator जब तक ये 0 by 0 form vanish ना हो जाए, ठीक है? When you differentiate numerator and denominator, you will get limit x tends to 3, square root of 3, and what is the differentiation of a square root of x? You will get 1 upon 2 root x. Differentiation of 3 is 0, so you can differentiate the denominator. Denominator का differentiation क्या होगा? 1 upon 2 square root of 2x minus 4 into 2, and square root of 2 का differentiation 0. से 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. When you put the value 3, you will get root 3 by 2 root 3 upon, here you will get 1 upon root 2. So root 3 से root 3 cancel, 1 upon 2 into root 2 by 1. This value you will get 1 upon root 2. So the correct option is the fourth one. So thank you everyone. If you are preparing for MCA entrance examination 2022 and 2023, you can join our online or live classes. You can call on 8828581455. If you are Mumbai based, you can join our Borivali center, Vasai center or Dadar center. Here you can get live classes, classroom, books, mock, GD, VAT, interview and mentorship. So follow our YouTube channel for more information, and you can also follow our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and please check the link in the description for more details. Thank you everyone.